Hi everyone, welcome back to Makayla's Playground. Today we're gonna play Stacktopus, and I'm back with my mommy squid and my daddy squid.
Hey guys,
hi everyone,
welcome
back.
And I'm a crab.
So, what's the name of the game?
Stacktopus. And here is Stacktopus.
First, let's tell them, why are we not dressed up as an octopus?
Because Amazon was sold out.
Yep, Amazon was sold out, so next best thing, we're squids and a crab.
Yep,
and they made me wear this.
I can bite him.
Okay, so tell them how to play.
Okay. Oh, the floor is yours.
So now, first you'll bet these little fingers on your mommy, your thumb, and your brother.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, from the
And
finger family, so
and
your
then-
daddy, mommy, brother.
Okay.
And then you pick a card. Pick a card with any card.
Any
Then
card,
you
any
shuffle
card.
up. Then you pick one of these with your fingers.
Mm-hmm.
And if it's up or down, you have to bid it the same one.
So we each have a stack of 6
Do we
different
have-
color cups.
Do we
Okay.
ever play by the rules?
We're going to this time.
No.
And then, so we each get 3 tentacles.
Where's mine?
So,
I think it goes right here.
okay.
Hey!
And then it comes with cards.
I can
So
get it back.
the cards,
Okay.
there's a green side and a red side, and it tells you how to stack your cards. So we're all supposed to go at the same time. And whoever stacks them first wins that round.
I'm not. Are the suction things supposed to face down, right?
I face them
Hey.
this way because it's easier to grab them with
There,
your...
we don't got the suction.
Oh.
Suction.
Does the
Guys,
suction
can
work?
we do this?
Oh.
So, guys, we're gonna do this.
Yeah, so it's easier because they are a little stuck.
If you got big fingers too, these are gonna. Your fingertips are gonna fall
So
off
this
by the time you're done.
This game is for 1 to 3 players. So it works out well that there's the 3 of us. Ready? They're ready
What do
to
we
get
do?
started?
I still don't understand. What are we doing?
So we have to pick a card. It says the oldest picks a card. So go ahead and pick a card.
So, which is the... Wait,
Pick
hold
a
on.
card.
Okay, hold on. I'm confused.
Before, we have to shuffle it. We have to shuffle it.
Do your amazing shuffling.
You're left-handed?
No what?
Oh.
This is my right hand. At least the last time I checked.
Here you go. I'm done shuffling.
Long day.
Go.
Then pick a card, any card.
Okay, put your
Okay.
fingers back on.
Okay,
Okay,
do
so you
it.
have to show us what it is so we each do it. So put it right here.
Green is easy and red is hard.
Yeah, so do green, please.
Okay, so this is green.
Orange, purple, pink, and blue.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I said.
You said you didn't say the right.
Give me some.
Okay.
You ready?
Okay, ready?
Go.
Set, go.
Orange.
Blue.
What color is that?
Well, there's no, it's pink. Pinkish red.
Oh.
You gotta be. Wait! Whoever stacks them first wins.
I did it. Woo! What's that
my
up to over there?
That color doesn't
I
even
feel like
exist.
Hey, you're cheating.
Oh, this is that color.
You're cheating.
Okay.
Do the next one.
Okay.
Okay.
Woo!
Boo!
Okay, now I get it. Now I'm ready.
Oh, now you're serious? Now you're
Yeah.
doing it. Okay.
Are you? Ooh, this is
Ooh,
Oh.
let me see. Which one do you want to do? So,
Oh, do you see that one's
that
upside
was
down?
cool.
Okay.
So let's show them this one.
Okay.
Wait, it's actually the same. So it's
Here.
it's upside down.
Okay, ready?
So,
Hold on,
let's see the picture.
Okay.
We have to study the picture. Don't cheat. No, put your cups all right here. No cheating, cheaters.
No.
See, that looks like red, but this is pink. That looks like purple, but this is dark blue.
Looks pink and looks red and purple to me.
Okay, you're
Just kidding.
colorblind.
I'm just kidding. No, I'm
You
not.
ready?
Hold on, cheat. Put down. 1, 2, 3, go.
Done.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
I'm done too.
Who got first?
And-
Got my cup. Oh.
He
Hey.
cheated.
Show. How did you cheat?
He cheated.
What did you do?
I didn't do nothing.
He cheated.
So I'm gonna do the reverse method like they've been doing. See if that works.
And
Do it like
I did.
but you're just.
My fingers fell off. Okay, ready? Come on. What are we doing?
Okay. Okay, so we're gonna do this one, guys.
Oh, that's a tricky one.
Okay. Ready?
So see it? You didn't even see it. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
Ready?
Set, go. Slow and steady wins the race.
Hold on.
Got it.
Oh, you better.
I got it.
Instant replay.
Hey, you're cheating.
Who?
You.
Why? Why? What did I do?
Oh, mommy, help me.
Okay, here I got it for you. Okay.
Okay, let's do difficult. Why are we doing easy? Let's do the difficult.
Yes.
Right up.
Oh, Makayla, this one's a hard one. Right here.
Oh, Daddy's hair is sick.
Oh! That's why I'm losing, because you guys are
We're
distracting
doing
me.
this one.
Oh, that's weak sauce. Okay, here we go. Ready?
I can't see. Hold on. Let's show them first.
Red, yellow.
Oh.
He's like Freddy Krueger. Okay, ready?
Okay,
Go.
ready,
Okay, you should know who that is.
Hold on.
Okay,
Go.
go.
No cheating, Makayla. I saw you.
Done.
Oh. Boo. Okay.
Hey. Okay. Okay, ready? Okay. Here we go.
He's actually, look at my finger. He made a ring around my finger. What?
Okay, so green or easy, we're gonna step it up a notch. We're gonna go to red. Oh, this one is gonna be. Okay, guys, we're gonna go with the ultimate.
Wait, it's down. Makayla's turn to pick a card.
Oh, okay. Do this one. Here, look at how hard this one.
That
Ooh. Let's try it.
Double.
Okay, that's the one. Okay,
Okay,
guys.
let's see. Right there. Ready?
Okay, gotta go slow. That's why.
Set, go. Oh.
Hey!
Eater.
Cheater!
Hold on.
Yeah! Good job,
Hey,
Makayla.
hey, oh, I couldn't get the last one. Did she get it? You got away. Ay, okay, so I think Makayla won that round by cheating.
Default.
This guy over here lets her cheat.
The expert.
And I think my thumb is actually gonna fall off after this. So
Wanna do a hat swap? Me and you?
one dad to wear the crab and you wear the squid.
Let's try.
Okay.
I'll switch you.
Okay.
I'm gonna help you.
That's gonna be way too small for your head.
Hey, look at that big bird over there, guys. Hey, I can't sing. What am I doing?
Will it fit your ear?
Yeah, really.
I can't wear it. Hello.
Okay, here we go. Okay,
This is hot.
ready? Stop. Ready? It doesn't fit me. My head's too big.
Can we ever get this done before the camera stops recording?
Yeah! Roll it.
Let's finish!
Okay, let's finish.
Okay, well, Daddy's getting dressed.
We're
We're gonna
doing
do this one. Okay.
one.
And this is gonna be pretty easy, okay?
Ready?
Okay, here we go.
Hold on.
Okay,
Okay.
no cheating.
Set. Ready, set, go.
Go.
Which one is it?
This one right here. Wait.
Where's my
Done.
Did you cheat?
Never. Makayla, tie, high five. No, do this to the fingertips. No, those hurt. Those hurt a lot. They hurt. They can hurt you.
Yeah, don't fight with me, guys.
Bye guys, I hope you enjoy my channel. If you want to watch another Stacktopus Makayla video, check here. If you want to watch the second one, please click the bell button right here. Give the big thumbs up, subscribe.
My fingers don't work.
Remember to do it all together. 3, 2, 1.
Hold on.
Oh.
What did you think about the game?
Good.
Okay.
Now,
What?
1, 2.
Go with the camera.
Hey! Oh, hit the camera. Careful. Careful. Bye, guys. Have fun. Stay safe. Eat your vegetables.